Welcome back to my channel. It's Leah with SkinBeautifulRx, and I'm super excited for this video today. It's a little bit different than what I usually do. This is a full face of new makeup, and I am a creature of habit. You can see from below that I typically, for the most part, always wear the same things on my face, but I had a lot of requests to do a little bit of clean luxury, a little bit of new clean beauty, and I was happy to oblige. So I have a few new favorite products. I have a few luxury dupes that I'm excited to show you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, really quick, I did prep my face with the Fitglow Beauty Redness Rescue Cream, and then on top of that, I did the Probiotics Hydro Glow Cream Oil from Glowbiotics. I always use Osmosis pressed powder, and I did get asked to do other clean beauty swaps that were a little bit more affordable. So I did pick up the Tarte Shape Tape because I've heard such great things about the Shape Tape Concealer. So I went and got this, and this is the color in Beige Light, which I am. Honestly, I wasn't wowed by it. It felt a little drying. That's why I actually put the Hydro Glow oil underneath of it. The first time I tried it, I did it, and it was just really kind of, it looked dry on my face. Like you could see it, it didn't blend in seamlessly. So I did have to put a little bit more than I would like to put on for a foundation to look good on my skin. It just did not like melt into my skin like my Osmosis does. It kind of sat there and looked a little cakey, a little itchy. So I was a little let down by this. I really wanted to love this because I wanted something a little bit more affordable for you guys that, you know, is clean, it is mineral, it is healthy. I will say the first time I wore this, it did not break me out, which is why I still put it on today. I'm also more oily than dry. So again, with that being said, I don't know how this would work on a drier skin type. If you have tried this and you are dry, definitely let me know in the comments below what you thought of it. Again, that's the Beige Light Pressed Powder from Tarte in the Shape Tape Foundation. Okay, the next thing I am so excited to talk to you guys about is this beauty, the Tom Ford, and this is the Glow Bronzer in 01 Gold Dust. And let me just show you how beautiful this is. It's like blinding. If you can see that, I'm gonna zoom in. And this is also what I am currently wearing. But, okay, you guys know how much I love my South Beach bronzer. I talk about it all the time, and I didn't even realize this when I ordered it, but you guys, how close is that? You can spend $100-ish, don't tell my husband, or you can spend under, I think, $35 for this, like literally almost the same color. And I love my South Beach bronzer. Now, of course, this is gonna look super beautiful on my nightstand or my makeup bag, but you guys, come on, let's be real. Needless to say, I love this bronzer because it's so close to my Osmosis favorite bronzer. But if you're looking to save $70, pick up the Osmosis bronzer in South Beach and just tell people you're wearing the Tom Ford. I mean, who's gonna ask? Who's gonna know? So, like I said, it's such a beautiful color. I think it's pretty universal for everybody, and it's gonna look good on warm and cool tones. So the next product, and I am not wearing this one because this actually for me turned out to be more of a really nice like bronzer. This is supposed to be an illuminator. This is the RMS Beauty Scarlet Peach Illuminizing Powder. So it's supposed to, you know, give you some illumination, but I just love the color as a bronzer. Now it is a bit different than the Osmosis bronzer. It's a little more cool. So I think for my skin type, this would be a little too dark as a highlighter for me. That's why I really love it as a new bronzer that I can use if I ever do want to try something else besides my Osmosis bronzer and my new Tom Ford bronzer. but this is really, really pretty. It has a little more sparkle, so I think for like events or things like that where I want to have like a little more sparkly appearance, I'll definitely reach for this one. I will say this is super hard to get open. I actually had to open it up before I started the video just so I would be able to show it to you guys. So that's my one thing that I'm not digging too much. It's just really hard to get into. Even when I didn't have these fake nails on, I couldn't do it. So that's just one thing I did want to point out. So 2 more products came in the RMS Savanna Peach collection. One of them being this little Savanna Sunset Blush. I'll swatch this for you guys. So this is not a product I personally will reach for again as a blush. It is a really, really pretty color. It just, on my skin tone, it just doesn't work for me. It's definitely going to pull out the reds in your skin. This will be a really, really, really pretty color for somebody who's olive or darker skin tone, or if you have just no red in your skin, it'll be a really great product. For me, this is a no, unfortunately. The next product I'm excited to tell you guys about because I actually have a dupe for it as well. This is the MarcJacobs Omega Glaze in Worth the Wait, and it is blinding. I'm serious, it's the most blinding, like, gigantic highlighter I've ever seen. It's the size of my face and it's really, really beautiful. I will tell you, you do not have to build this product up. I really like products that I can build up just because, you know, I like to customize my makeup. This is a product that you will want to use very lightly or gently unless you really like that, like, wow, you know, look. So the first time I put it on, I was just used to being able to build it, and I put it on and I was like, whoa. So I wanted to show you guys how similar, this is my favorite. This is the Osmosis highlighting quad. So on this cheek, I have the MarcJacobs illuminator. Of course, it's probably blinding you right now. And then on this side, I have the Osmosis quad with the Tom Ford bronzer, and I feel like it legitimately is the same thing. It looks very similar. The Osmosis has your like white blinding product similar to this one. So again, guys, if you want a cheaper, more affordable option that's going to give you a very similar look to the luxury, then definitely check out the Osmosis highlighter quad. But again, this is really, really pretty. You do not need to build this product. It is highly pigmented and extra blinding, and this will make a beautiful highlighter, especially on camera, on film. This is a great product. The product I bought is the Tarte Sizzle eyeshadow palette. I'm not even gonna lie, guys, I am obsessed with this. I love it so much. It takes me back to like my high school days when I wore a lot of color. Look, I can't even get this open with my nails now. One second. Okay. For the last few years, I've gone to like a lot of neutrals, but I was super excited to get this because it's all the colors I used to wear. A lot of pinks, a lot of purples. I have brown eyes, so I love that. A lot of nudes, and they do lean towards like the nude family. So let me show you guys how beautiful this is. I am wearing this right now. My favorite colors are definitely this shimmery purple, this like nudish pink. This is kind of like what I use as my base, and this pink. So let me show you guys how beautiful this is. You can see it. Like, you could see, I didn't even have to stand up to show you how pigmented they are. Like, they are just so pretty. And again, you don't need a ton of product with this, and it will just look so beautiful no matter what eye color. But if you are like me and have brown eyes, these pinks and these purples that lean a little towards nude are gonna look phenomenal on you. So I absolutely love this. 100% would recommend this eyeshadow palette. It's actually probably my favorite purchase on everything I got for this video. I love this so much. I'm super glad that I went out on a limb and got something a little more out of my comfort zone, and I really, really love it. Recommend it. It's a 10. The third thing that came in the Savanna Peach collection was this really pretty lipstick. And again, guys, I'm not a huge lipstick fan, just gonna put that out there. It is very matte and very dry to put on. So I literally just kind of pat it around my lips and then throw a gloss on top. It makes a really pretty like product if you, like me, like glosses. It's gonna help with that, pulling that pigment through. It's a really pretty color, so you guys can see what that looks like. So it is really nice with gloss on top. I don't think you'll have any issues. Just for me, it was really dry and kind of hard to slide across my lips. I hydrate my lips like it's nobody's business. So for me to have an issue, I thought that probably more people were gonna be like me and have an issue. So that's the way I would wear that product. I probably would not wear it without anything else on top. It would just be a little too matte, a little too drying for me. The next product I got is the CoverFX, and this is the Translucent Light Perfect Setting Powder, and just like it says, it's perfect. This is another product that I absolutely loved. I went out on a limb. I've been using a setting powder that's probably double the, maybe even triple the price of this. So this was a happy discovery. It feels really nice and light on the skin. It easily blends in. Fantastic job. So this is a product I would highly recommend. And again, it's such a great company. If you're looking for another really clean green beauty brand, you're going to love this setting powder. And so the next product that I purchased was the MarcJacobs, and this is the Major Volume Mascara. I did really like this mascara a lot. It did give me major volume. I always use my Fitglow mascara. This is probably a product that I will just keep like in my purse or in my car, because I don't like to travel with this in case like I leave it in the heat or anything like that. Like I love this one so much, I want to keep it safe. So this one's a nice little pocket size that if I'm running out the door really quick, I will grab this and put it in my back pocket, and then when I get to where I need to go, I'll use it. So this is probably not one I'll use every day. This is one I will grab in a rush and just have it travel with me. So this is a product that I'm happy I tried out, because I have not truly enjoyed a mascara besides the Fitglow Beauty Mascara in a really long time. They're either too clumpy, or they just make my lashes like stick together, or they just, I don't know, they just don't do what they say they're gonna do. So this is a fantastic mascara. To try out some new brow gels as well. Honestly, I prefer pencils after using these. I don't know why, my eyebrows just don't want to dry, and you know, halfway through the day I'll realize that I have like, you know, brow gel, like the colored brown brow gel like halfway up my forehead. So I honestly will be going back to pencils after this. I did recently get them tinted, so I haven't had to use anything. Love that, definitely recommend. But yeah, so definitely probably won't repurchase any brow gels, either the clear or the brown. Okay guys, I am out of new makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed my face of new makeup. If you think I look better with this face than my usual face, just let me know and I'll start to incorporate more of these products in. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope maybe you found some products that you'll want to try out or kind of on the fence on purchasing, and hopefully you enjoyed my dupes. If you guys want to see more videos like this, just let me know. If you guys have any other recommendations, let me know. I love doing these types of videos for you guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.